Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? What is up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? This is your captain, Captain Manny. Today I'm in a new spot. That's right, I'm in Columbus, New Mexico, hometown of Pancho Villa. Alright guys, so here in Columbus where I'm staying, in 1916 Pancho Villa came and invaded the United States. That's right, he came to Columbus, started a little war. He lost badly, and then the United States went and looked for him. I'm not gonna show you guys or tell you the whole story, but I just want to share it with you guys. Alright, so let's go back to it. This little town is where I'm working at. Well, not in this town, but close by. Yeah, this is my new penthouse right now. I'll probably do a tour for you guys later. The mamalona sitting right there. What we have here, guys, today, this is a 6-inch pipe. We have everything ready. We have my rod right here. We're gonna do some cutting because I don't have any oxygen. My last video, I don't know if you guys remember, I ran out of oxygen. I haven't got it. Maybe this weekend I'll get some, but we'll do it manually with the cutting this. My gloves, my stinger, my grinder ready. So we're just gonna clean this pipe right here. This one already beveled, but we're gonna cut probably 4 inches back, cut it, make a bevel again, fit it. I have a video how to make a bevel right here. I'll link in the description right here on top for you guys if you guys wanna see how you make a bevel with the grinder. If you don't have a bevel machine, like I do right now, but I don't have oxygen. But I want to do, guys, I'm gonna try to show you how to do the root, 60-10 root. A lot of people ask me how to do the root, how I do my roots. So on this video I'll try to explain you guys or show you how to put a nice root in it. So without further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, so I couldn't find a spacer. You know, I like to 116, 1/8, but I remember I have my machete right here, so it fit perfect. This is a 6-inch pipe, so it was perfect, 100%. Alright guys, so everything's good, high-low is good, everything looks perfect, 100%. So we're gonna tag it right here. We're gonna do 2 tags, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Alright, I'm gonna take off the machete. Hiya! Oh my gosh, I love it, the mother. I used to be a ninja. Machete kills again. Danger, Will Robinson. Alright, well, let's get serious. I have this tripod right here, guys. Pretty handy. This tripod is a rigid tripod which you can lock pipe, as you can see here. Pretty handy. You can use it to cut pipe, weld pipe, whatever your case might be. Alright. And now we're gonna tag the top 1/2-inch tags. Probably better if you do 1 inch. You know, make sure you have a good side. Make sure both sides look good. One side is open, more open than the other side. You want to weld the side that is bigger. So this side right here is tighter, as you can see here. I can probably use the metal to open a little bit, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And this other side is wider, it's like 1/8, which is not bad. I should make it better before I put the tag on top. Just hit it, but I did even it out the best I could. Which now I'm just gonna feather the tags, you know, feather landing, so I can tie in good. Alright, so just feather your tags and you should be good to like I said, I like to bend the rod, as you can see here. I like to bend it like that. Some people like to push it. If you do push it, don't push it too hard, because you might go in and your rod might stop welding. So I like to bend it like this. I feel like it goes better if you bend it. I like to weld it with one hand. I just go down. People ask me, how I run my roots, so that's what I'm doing today, guys. Showing you guys how I run my roots. This is just a practice. We'll see how it goes. If you need more heat, I have my control right here, so I can either go up 5, down 5, whatever the case might be. You just have to pay attention to the keyhole, see how it behaves. So let's get it. I'm gonna start right here. Like I said, as you can see, the rod, I'm bending it a little bit, not too much, not too little, trying to keep it at a 90-degree angle. And you just want to look for consistency, guys. Like I said, sometimes it might stop, sometimes you might need more heat, sometimes you might push it too much and it will stop. But you just have to keep practicing, keep it at 90 degree all the time. Make sure you don't get a big keyhole, and you should be good. Like I said, I like to bend the rod a little bit. Some people like to push it. I like to bend the rod, but it's going good. I think it's going all the way in. That's what she said. But yep, this is I'm running 4 gear, guys, with the classic 300. 4 gear and 30. I went like 5 down because, like I said, this side of the pipe was bigger, so I went 5 down like 2 times. So I end up running a 4 gear and 20. And now we're gonna do the other side, same thing, going in into the tag. Just make sure you like it, and same thing, guys. Just make sure the keyhole is running nice and smooth like butter. Don't push it too much. I like to bend the rod, like I said, and as you can see here, it's going good. You just want to make sure it's going in there. I had a nickel landing on the pipe. Alright, 1/8, 60/10. Bend the rod. I like to bend the rod, like as you can see here, one hand. Sometimes I'm just, or when I start, I like to hold it with both hands, but as soon as I'm going in, I just one hand. That's it. So just I hope the oil goes up pretty soon. A lot of jobs might start pretty soon, but until then, I'm just gonna keep practicing, guys. Like I said, I'm working here in Columbus, New Mexico. You guys might figure out where I'm working at, but I'll be making some videos about my job pretty soon, so stay tuned. Alright, the root came out right. Some parts are better than the other ones, but that's why we're practicing, to get better. Alright, sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today's video, guys. I did finish it. I kept it with 80/10. Came out good, came out right. The main topic today was the root, how I bend the rod. Some people like to bend the rod, some people just hold the stinger like that, kind of push it. But that was it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. Don't forget to follow me, my social media right here in the bottom, my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is your first time here somehow, you got to my channel. I upload videos about welding, working, just my daily blog kind of stuff. So stay tuned out there, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.